A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal showdown, a federal appeals court expressed skepticism on Thursday regarding the Justice Department's defense of President Donald Trump's controversial global tariff regime. The heart of the matter lies in Trump's invocation of the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, IEPA, a statute that has never before been used by a president to impose tariffs since its enactment in 1977. The plaintiffs in this case argue that the IEPA does not grant the president the authority to set tariffs and contend that Trump has overstepped his bounds, usurping the power of Congress since he returned to the presidency in January. During the hearing at the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit, Justice Department Attorney Brett Shumate faced pointed questions from the judges, particularly regarding the lack of explicit mention of tariffs within the IEPA. Judge Alan David Lowry highlighted this issue, noting that the law discusses foreign exchange and payments but does not reference tariffs, stating, "Tariffs seem to have no friends in that statute. So what?" This line of questioning underscored the judge's concerns about the legality of Trump's actions. Neil Katyal, representing the plaintiffs, emphasized the gravity of the situation, arguing that the administration's stance suggested that the president could act without judicial oversight simply by declaring an emergency. He described this claim as unprecedented and alarming, warning of the potential consequences of such unchecked power. The backdrop to this legal battle is Trump's assertion that the persistent trade deficit qualifies as a national emergency, thereby justifying his use of the IEPA to impose tariffs on various countries. Shumate defended the administration's position, stating that the trade deficit had reached a critical point, necessitating action. However, the judges remained unconvinced, with Judge Jimmy Reyna questioning the rationale behind Congress delegating specific tariff powers to the president if the IEPA could be interpreted so broadly. The hearing, which lasted nearly 2 hours, concluded without a ruling, but a decision is anticipated in the coming weeks. The case is expected to escalate to the Supreme Court, further entangling the judiciary in Trump's contentious trade policies. The U.S. Court of International Trade had previously ruled against Trump, deeming his tariffs illegal, but the appeals court temporarily upheld the tariffs while the legal proceedings continue. As the legal battle unfolds, trillions of dollars in global trade hang in the balance. Trump has been adamant about his tariff strategy, recently extending current rates on Mexico to allow for further negotiations. He has also touted agreements with countries such as Japan and the European Union, framing his tariff policy as essential for protecting American interests. In a post on his Truth Social platform, Trump expressed confidence in his legal team, emphasizing the necessity of tariffs in safeguarding the nation. As the clock ticks down to the implementation of new tariff rates, the uncertainty looms large for businesses and trade partners alike, with the potential for significant economic repercussions depending on the court's eventual ruling. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.